Italy, a country of timeless charm, is a tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, it boasts iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Florence's Duomo. Italy's art, from Michelangelo to Da Vinci, and its cuisine, pizza, pasta, and gelato, are celebrated worldwide. Breathtaking landscapes include the Amalfi Coast, Tuscany's rolling hills, and the Venetian canals. Home to fashion capitals like Milan and ancient ruins in Rome, Italy seamlessly blends the old with the modern. Warm hospitality, rich traditions, and vibrant festivals make it a dream destination for travelers and history enthusiasts alike. Best places to visit in Italy. 1. Rome. The Eternal City blends ancient history and modern charm with iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, Vatican City, and Trevi Fountain, offering unforgettable cultural, architectural, and culinary experiences. 2. Venice. A romantic city of canals, gondolas, and elegant architecture, Venice captivates with St. Mark's Basilica, the Grand Canal, and its magical atmosphere, best enjoyed during a leisurely gondola ride. 3. Florence. The birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence dazzles with masterpieces like Michelangelo's David, the Uffizi Gallery, and Florence Cathedral, surrounded by Tuscan charm and vibrant cultural heritage. 4. Amalfi Coast. Famed for its dramatic cliffs, turquoise waters, and colorful villages like Positano, the Amalfi Coast offers luxury, scenic drives, and a serene escape by the Mediterranean. 5. Milan. Italy's fashion capital showcases cutting-edge style alongside historic treasures like the Gothic Duomo, Sforza Castle, and Da Vinci's masterpiece The Last Supper. 6. Tuscany. Rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns like Siena and San Gimignano make Tuscany a dream for wine lovers, art enthusiasts, and nature admirers. 7. Cinque Terre. 5 cliffside villages, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore, feature colorful houses, dramatic coastal views, and scenic hiking trails, perfect for nature and photography enthusiasts. 8. Naples and Pompeii. Naples boasts vibrant street life and incredible pizza, while nearby Pompeii reveals a hauntingly preserved Roman city destroyed by Mount Vesuvius eruption in 79 AD. 9. Lake Como. Nestled among the Alps, Lake Como enchants with serene waters, elegant villas, and picturesque towns like Bellagio, ideal for relaxation and exploration. 10. Sicily. A cultural melting pot, Sicily offers ancient ruins, stunning beaches, vibrant markets, and the majestic Mount Etna, combining nature and history in one enchanting island destination.